Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to discuss the simple email for requesting to the professor for supervision in MS and PhD. So first of all, you must be know that many people email to the professor but they ignore. So ignoring an email by the professor is quite normal as they have busy schedule. So be attentive while writing the subject line in order to make sure that your email will not be ignored. Try to include an information based strong and attractive subject line. So by the correct use of word in the subject line, professor will be able to catch an idea of what your email is about, and you can write that request for MS supervision. Here is we can for MS request for MSD and PhD supervision by assistantship. Always begin the address person by using professional greeting, for instance with the dear professor, dear madam, and Mrs. or Misters. Apart from this, the email actually have the introductions, body, and closing statements. So the introduction, the first paragraph, you should give a concise summary of yourself including your native country and your name. It must tell you about your achievement, experience, and qualification relevant to the open position. By addressing the professor research area, you can also show that you also want to work one of his research project in his lab. Moreover, you can give a clue that you are eager to get a possible PhD and MS opportunity or scholarship in the custom research or lab group. Apart from this is the body of the email should be the consideration of the professor research area. Mention your work skills and previous research work. The applicant can get a brief overview of the professor research publication, previous and current project by visiting the lab official website. In order to be a good competitor, you must list all of your achievement and expertise to provide a clear vision about your passion and the professor research area, and avoid any jargon or slang words and any kind of complexity. The last paragraph should be supposed to be the last one, and this paragraph you have to show your enthusiasm, passions, and motivation to work in the professor research group. Furthermore, you can state what inspired to be a part of this research group or specific domain. The closing statement is very important. Write a polite, requesting, and respectful manner. Close the paragraph and write a short statement regarding the CV or any other document attached, and ask if any document is required. For example, kindly find the attached document and would love to provide your further document if needed. If the professor will be manageable, I would look forward to being a part of your research project name in coming fall. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for scholarships, internship, and many others.